What if I told you that the secret to crushing any goal, whether it's writing your first novel, running a marathon, or finally launching that side hustle, boils down to one simple equation? Positivity plus tiny steps equals big results? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn that into your new daily mantra. I've helped many people transform their lives using a mix of psychology, neuroscience, and a dash of humor. Today, we're diving deep into why staying positive isn't just fluffy self-help advice and how taking baby steps can rocket fuel your progress. Ready? Let's go. 1. The power of positivity. A. The brain on optimism. Positive thoughts activate the prefrontal cortex, boosting creativity and problem solving. That's science speak for your brain works better when you feel good. Quick tip. Start each morning by listing 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. I made my bed, I drank water, I smiled at my cat. B. Reframe negative self-talk. Practical exercise. Catch yourself saying I can't. Pause, breathe, and rephrase, I'm learning how. I used to tell myself I can't do math until I realized counting my coffee cups is still math, so technically I'm a mathematician. 2. Why small steps win A. The Kaizen principle. Kaizen, a Japanese management philosophy, means continuous improvement. Companies like Toyota swear by it, so why shouldn't we? Tiny habit. Hack. Want to get fit? Just do 1 push-up per day, then gradually increase. That's it. Congrats. You've started your fitness journey. B. Building momentum. Practical example. If your goal is writing a book, commit to 200 words a day. That's like 2 paragraphs. Easy, right? In 6 months, you'll have a full first draft. Meet Mona. She thought writing was impossible until she grabbed her laptop for 5 minutes each morning. Fast forward 3 months, she just hit 15,000 words. 3. Combining positivity plus small steps. A. The hybrid approach. Step 1, set a micro goal. For example, I will draft 1 sentence. Step 2, celebrate immediately. Do a happy dance, give yourself a sticker, or shout yes. Science shows rewards reinforce habits. Step 3, reflect positively. Write in your journal. Today I moved forward. I once decided I'd learn guitar. I practiced 1 chord for 2 weeks. My dog howled in protest, so I rewarded him with a treat every time I hit that chord correctly. 2 months later, turns out both of us can now play Happy Birthday. Kind of. 4. A theoretical nugget. Neuroplasticity. Your brain rewires itself with repetition. Every positive thought and tiny win lays down new neural pathways. Over time, these become your default supercharged mindset shift. You're not just chasing goals, you're training your brain to be a goal-achieving machine. 5. Practical implementation checklist. A. Morning ritual. Gratitude plus micro goal for the day. B. Midday. Check in. Pause. Journal 1 win. Reframe 1 struggle. C. Evening. Wrap up. Celebrate progress, no matter how small, and plan your next micro step. 6. Conclusion and call to action. Look, big dreams don't have to mean big leaps. By staying positive and taking small steps, you're stacking wins every single day. And that's how any goal gets smashed. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the so you never miss a strategy that'll turbocharge your life. Drop a comment. What micro step will you commit to today? I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep growing, one tiny victory at a time.